Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we've chosen to come to Bishop's Park, London with my brother.
Hi.
Just to show you guys the entrance, it is a really beautiful and calm place. So guys, you've just arrived at my most favourite area, which is this little pond with a fountain in the middle. And I really like it because of how peaceful it is, and there's nice plants. And there's just loads of ducks here and wildlife, as we can see here. And it's just a really nice area. The water always glistens with the sun, which is really nice, and it's just really peaceful. Guys, if you're wondering if this place has parks, yes it does, and the parks are really good. So this is like the little kids park, which is like under maybe under 8, like all the little kids, toddlers. Here's a place that they can enjoy, and I really used to like this place when I was little, but now I'm a bit more on the other side, so I'm going to be showing you guys the ones a bit for older kids. So we keep going.
Oh yeah.
And also ambulance.
Really bad. Then how about me? Shall I go in the helicopter ambulance?
This is the place that I enjoy more. It's like the maybe like 10 and above place, 8 and above. I really enjoyed going on this. It was a really nice place, but there's also more stuff. So over here, like in the middle, we have an area for like roller skating and bikes and all kinds of like tricks and stunts, and then we even have a workout place here, so ping pong tables. I just get through. There are ping pong tables, a basketball area, a workout area. That green area there is a workout area. Just over here. And then over here we have a skateboarding, a stunting, a bike, a stunt street area. And yeah, they have a really nice area to just like play around and do all your stuff. doesn't just end there, as over here we have this tennis court with a free field, and there's some toilets there, and we even have a cafe here that has really nice ice cream. So guys, you've seemed to just arrive to a huge area filled with different plants and bushes and flowers. And over here we have the same types of flowers but with a memorial this time, which is pretty sad, but other than that, this place is amazing. There's different types of flowers over there and over here. If you go up close, there's yellow roses, there's red roses, there's white roses, there's pink flowers. And just there is London Bridge. Yes, that bridge there is London Bridge. And if we go a bit down, there's also the River Thames. Here's some of the flowers, but over here is the River Thames. It's a bit lower than usual for some reason, but usually it'd be really high up. And that's why we have special safety gates for these stairs. But other than that, we got Putney Bridge right next to this amazing area, just filled with flowers. I'm about to head into the path and show you guys some of the flowers. Bees also like to come here a lot, so it's really nice. But here's some of the things that proves that this is owned by Bishop's Park too. Here's some of the flowers. Here's some white flowers. Here's some red flowers. And there are some of the yellow flowers, which for some reason are the least common out of all of them, but it still look really nice with the bunch. And on the other side we have more of a pinkish collection with a bit more different flowers. Over here there's also some different flowers, but on this side there are some pink flowers, purplish violetish flowers. This one looks really nice now. That looks really nice, but there are also some berries here, so there's some different kinds of stuff coming to eat, like maybe squirrels or birds. But over here there are some more. There are some yellow flowers. And yeah, that's the whole thing. So So guys, I'm in one of the most shadiest yet coolest parts of the park, and right now I'm sitting on a 100 to 200 year old tree. If you're looking for a nice and shady area to rest after a sunny day, this would be the perfect area, as just being in the sun for so long, I feel much better and cooler already here. Just look how shady it is. It'd be a perfect area to just put your mat and sit down for a bit for a rest. So guys, that'll be the end of the video. See you guys next time, and bye!